Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today, I just felt like I'd have this funk lift when I was waking up in the morning, and I've decided, you know what? I had this couple of friends, they suggested that I go check out these two beaches that are in the area. So what better way to just shake off this, I don't know, this little funk I've been in. So now, we're taking off to Columbia Beach is our first stop today. Let's go get our feet in the water and enjoy the sun. So at this point, you may tell from the look on my face, I realized that maybe punching in beach near Parksville in the GPS wasn't the best way to get to where I was going. Columbia Beach is not what I wanted. Obviously it is a beach, but I wanted a little Qualicum Beach. And here we go, let's fix that. Now this is definitely more like it. Way nicer place. Just too bad the clouds kind of rolled in here and it got a little cold and windy, but let's go for a walk. Let's check out the scenery while we're here. Definitely going to get our feet in the water. Well, that's a quick little walk around Qualicum Beach there. I guess, I'm not sure why, when I looked it up in the GPS, it said Columbia Beach. Ended up, I mean, there's a beach there, but that's just a little pebble beach. So anyways, figured out the mistake, turned around, come back. That was Qualicum Beach. I was just a little walk around. The water's pretty cold. She's a little angry today. Waters are kind of rough anyway. Looks like the sun's coming out here and there. Get some sun on the skin. Then we're gonna go check out Rathtrevor Beach. Might be saying that wrong. I was told to be there at sunset was the suggestion. So we're gonna head over there in a few hours. So that was pretty good. Spent a couple hours. Just sat down at the beach, and really, the sound of the water is what really does it for me, right? I like that. Watch some people went swimming. I thought that was pretty brave, but that's not something for me. So I just sat in the grass, played some guitar. Now I think we're going to head over to Rathtrevor Park. I think that's how it's pronounced. They got a day use area there. We're gonna go cook some supper, I think. I think today we're having bacon and eggs for supper. But we'll see. We'll see when I get there. Let's go for a drive over to Rathtrevor Park. Here we are, Rathtrevor Park. I totally lost out to the willpower and grabbed some A&W on the way by. So, let's shut this van off. I think we're just gonna grab a little something to eat, go for a walk, check out this beach. Oh wow, this water is really warm. Now the sun's out, feels a lot warmer too. The other beach there we were at, it was kind of chilly. It's okay, but it's kind of chilly. I don't know how well you can see that in the background, but those mountains. Squint into the sun. I don't know if we're gonna get a sunset tonight. Looks like we're getting a whole bunch of clouds rolling in. I think we're like an hour and a half away. We will see, we will see. Well, that was Qualicum Beach and Rathtrevor Beach, and what a wonderful day. Definitely got some sun eventually, a little bit of clouds, but we did manage to get some sun. Definitely feeling a lot better today. Got some exercise, got some fresh air. Looking forward to the rest of this trip. So we're just going to leave that one here. Thanks for coming along. And here is time lapse of the sunset. Doesn't get any better than this. All right, guys, till next time. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe.